Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the usage of having clause. In the earlier video lecture, we saw the usage of group by clause. So, earlier we have seen how we can filter out the rows with the where clause. But that is simply not possible whenever we are going to filter out the groups. So, where clause works only with the rows and having clause works with the groups as a filter. So let us see the example. So I'm going to say select star from file, film actually, okay. And if I execute this, it will show us all the records from the film. Now if I say select rental duration, comma sum of rental rate from film group by rental duration. So if I execute this, it is going to show me the groups by rental duration and summation of rental rates. So suppose if I want to filter out the stuff such that where sum of rental rate is greater than 800, then this query is going to fail because this query has error. Okay, you cannot use where clause for filtering out the groups. For that we need to use having clause. So always remember, in order to filter the rows, you need to use where. Okay, so in this query, if you want to filter out the rows, you can still use where. And if you want to filter out you have to use having. So I'm just going to execute this and going to show you the output. Okay, so we need to delete this extra space and it should work now. And this is the output because there is nothing which is greater than 800. So I'm going to lower this value a bit. I'm going to say 600 and let's execute this. And this is the output. So now let us try to use having and where in the same statement. And for that, I'm going to execute this. So let's say rental rate equals to 0.99, where rental rate between 0.5 and 3.5. Okay, now this query has got both the clauses. It has got the where clause as well as having clause. So if I execute this, it is going to show me the output. Okay, so now I guess 600 is too much. So I'm just going to say 100 and it should actually definitely show me a few records. Okay, so here we can see that the rental rate is in between 0.5 and 3.5, and then it is creating the groups according to the rental duration, and then we are filtering out the group with the condition sum of rental rate is greater than 100. So if you see what records were filtered in this query, we can just write an opposite query of that. And okay, so I guess still let's say 300 and we will be able to see a few records. Okay, so these are the records, and if I say greater than, then there will be few records. Okay, so I guess let us say 200. Yeah, so this way you can write various queries. Let's see one more example. Let's copy this. An average of rental rate is greater than let's say 2. And if I execute this, it will show me a few records. So if I say average of rental rate is greater than 2, it will show me a few records like these. So this is how we can use having clause. So let me revise it once again. Where clause is used to filter out the rows. Having clause is used to filter out the groups. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any question, queries or comments. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.